Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Guys, I am sad to say that I will be starting off the new year as a very, very sad gardener. They have completely cut down the wax apple. Completely cut down the wax apple. So this happened yesterday. We had an event at the house yesterday, and when they came to put the tent up, I heard the chainsaw going, and I decided to just come and take a look. My trellis was on the floor, so I had the guys who were helping me put up the tent, or the guys that put up the tent, they helped me to pick this up and put it on the wall. Now, I hopped on my little bucket and I decided to talk to the neighbor to see if he was the one who might have accidentally kicked down the trellis. But it wasn't him. Somehow it had already fell down. And these are the ones that are directly in front of the tree. But so now I have to find a way to get this trellis into a new container, which I already have, but I'll deal with that later. So the wax apple completely gone, guys. This is all that's left, and a couple bottles of juices that I juiced day before yesterday. A sad day, guys. It even changes the aesthetic of my backyard. It looks empty now. My backyard looks empty without that tree there. And I had to convince him not to cut down the star fruit. Oh Lord. So this is the star fruit, the carambola, and I had to convince him not to chop that one down. I told him it was a very delicious and expensive fruit, and convinced him not to chop it down. So there you have it, guys. The end of something that has been in my life for 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. And now that chapter has ended. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay. And I will definitely see you guys on the next video.